Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to Angular 10 tutorial. Today we will discuss the Angular data binding. There is a two concept. One is that one-way data binding, and second one is two-way data binding. I will explain programmatically. Wait for a minute. First of all, we can check data binding. It is a two types. One is that one-way data binding. One-way data binding means it is communicating with the business logic and displaying the view part. Okay, this is the one-way communication. I will show that. Actually, I'm writing the one variable declaration here. Just I'm taking one string. String name is name equal to image. Okay, I am binding this name to the HTML. We will check how it will work. I am removing this. I am using double curly brace. Here you can assign this. This is the syntax of the one-way data communication. Okay, we can check either that name will come or not. See here, it is displayed here. 1 minute. I will remove this is the image. It is rendered actually. This is the one-way communication. What is the one-way data binding means? It is which business logic you have written that variable declaration. It will access the or render the HTML site dynamically. Okay. And second one is two-way data binding. Two-way data binding means two-way data binding. Two-way data binding means it will communicating with the business logic to view site and automatically updated in the view site to model. This is the communication for two-way. Okay, we are looking that one. I am taking here one input field, type, text. Then I am using here actually ng model. Ng model is equal to name and place folder name. Okay. It will not display it because of check here what is the error we are getting. Can't engine model since it is no property input because we are not declared form module here. That's why it will change that error. Let's go to app model. We can inject form module actually. Let's go here and type here form module. this form module under the forms Angular forms, it will getting these form modules. Okay, this will automatically fetching the data actually. See, now it is rendered. Okay, next. See, what is the two-way data binding means? Actually, this is here already bmesh is there. I have done here placeholder bmesh. When I typing here, automatically updated in the view also, and also business logic also it will affected for this. This is the two-way communication. When I typing here or when I remove this, everything it will be done. Again I am typing here, it will affected in the view and the model, and the model and the view it will affected. There is communication both sides. That's why it is called as a two-way data binding actually. Okay. Yeah, that's it. Thank you guys. Hope everyone pretty good. Okay.